New at 4:30, if the unthinkable happens, are you willing to make the ultimate donation?
It's really hard in that moment, when your world is crashing around you. But for us, knowing that he was going to donate was just a little kernel of hope in the most devastating time of our life.
More than 8,000 people in New York State alone are on the waiting list for an organ transplant. News 10 NBC investigative reporter Jennifer Lukey shows us how local families are hoping to change that.
Here at Strong Hospital, this digital display honors those who have made the ultimate donation. Here at Strong alone in 2025, more than 250 people donated life.
One of those people was 17-year-old Talon Gracioso, who was a student at Victor High School.
Just big, bold personality, outgoing, friendly, involved in so many different things: football, track and field, marching bands where he played the tuba, because when you have a big personality, you need a big instrument.
Just a few months before his death, Talon had applied for his learner's permit.
I had that conversation with Talon right there at the DMV about what organ donation meant and why it's important.
He decided to check the box. His mother didn't think about that choice again until she was standing at his bedside, distraught. But that check did bring a small bit of comfort in the midst of tragedy.
Knowing that Talon was going to live on in others and that he would be helping other people really brought a lot of closure to us, and it just made it a lot easier in the moment, knowing that we were losing him but not truly losing him.
At Strong Hospital, when a person donates their organs, there is an honor walk. Typically, the doctors, nurses, and staff line the hallway as a tribute. This is Talon's honor walk. His friends, teachers, teammates, and classmates also came.
They lined the entire wing up in the trauma floor.
It was Talon's final choice, one that helped so many others.
We do know for sure that he saved 4 lives, and that really just brings us so much peace.
About 70% of people in the Finger Lakes region are registered organ donors, which is much higher than the 50% state average. But there's still a long waiting list of people who would benefit from more donations.
Even though we do about 250 transplants here at Strong a year, we still have about 500 patients on the waiting list for organ transplantations almost at any time.
One donor could save up to 8 lives through organ donation, but then actually help improve the lives of 75 or more through tissue and eye donation. We don't talk as often about restoring sight through cornea donation, or sports injuries or burn victims needing donor tissue or skin.
Crystal has actually been able to meet one of the people who was saved by Talon's donation.
As his mom, really just brings meaning to something that to us felt so meaningless with him passing away.
Of the 8,000 New Yorkers who are on the list, 800 of them have been on that list for more than 5 years. At Strong Hospital, Jennifer Lukey, News 10 NBC.
Let's go in depth now on how you can register to become a donor. You have to be at least 16 years old. You can do it when you renew your driver's license. That's what I did. Or right now by simply filling out a form online that we can connect you with at WHEC.com. You can also call the number on your screen, 1-866-NY-DONOR. You can also specify what organs or tissue to donate. It doesn't have to be all or nothing, and you can always change your mind either way.